So,
Maybe. Oh.
you're a hula
Okay, got some
hooper.
hip action.
Yes! I love it. Perfect. All right, torture has ended.
Thank you.
You completed your mission. I will let you out of this device. Okay, this torture device.
Yeah, what torture device do we have me sitting on now?
This is a split machine, and I have all my ladies sitting on this to see how many clicks it'll take to get you to tap out.
Okay, I assume my ankles go
Yep.
there.
You put your feet in the stirrups, adjust all of that. I know I have to get different size seats.
Right.
All right, for my well-endowed fit babes. All right, ready? We're gonna get
Yeah.
the first click. Are you scared?
Yeah, because I don't know if it's gonna go like,
No,
or is it just gonna be like,
little bit. One,
okay. Wait, how far has anybody went with this?
8,
Oh shit. Okay.
2. The hail going on out there. 3.
3, 8. They must have been in a full split. 4,
4.
5.